Immerse yourself in the calming sounds of spices being ground. The symphony of garlic, ginger, green chilies and mustard seeds, each singing its unique tune. The crunch and grind set the stage for the culinary journey ahead. The spices are ready, releasing their tantalizing aroma. Hear the sizzle as we saute the spices. The aroma of ground cumin, coriander and a hint of garam masala dances up from the hot oil. A symphony of crackling and popping fills the air as the spices release their flavors. Now, it's time for the mashed potatoes. As they tumble into the pan, they are enveloped by the fragrant spice mixture. The stirring and mixing create a soothing rhythm, a culinary lullaby of sorts. Our spicy filling is ready, sizzling and inviting. Listen to the whisk hitting the bowl as we prepare the batter. The rhythmic dance of gram flour, water, turmeric and salt intertwining, creating a symphony of sound. A harmony of ingredients whisked into a smooth golden batter. Our batter is smooth and ready for the next step. The oil bubbles up as the Vadas dive in. Imagine the spiced potato balls cloaked in a light batter, taking their plunge into the hot oil. Their journey is marked by the sizzling symphony of frying, a melody that fills the air with anticipation. Each hiss, each pop of the oil speaks of the transformation happening within. The Vadas dance in the oil, turning from pale yellow to a tantalizing golden brown. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, they emerge victorious from their fiery trial. Golden brown and crispy, our Vadas are ready. Hear the crunch of the pav as we slice it open. The soft tear of bread harmonizes with the spicy hum of chutney being spread. The hot Vada nestles inside, its squish a delightful melody. Our Vada Pav is ready, a symphony of flavors and sounds. Let's take a moment to relive the journey. We've traveled from the grinding of spices to the preparation of the filling, the creation of the batter, the sizzle of the Vadas, and finally, the assembly of Vada Pav. From the crunch of spices to the sizzle of frying, Vada Pav is truly a dish that sings to the senses.